I just learned this morning that this can of sardines only has 120 calories, which means for the last 2 days, I have restricted myself to 250 calories per day on my diet. No wonder I have been losing weight. This is Eric P. Martin, and it is December the 10th, 2025. This is day 10 of my 30-day sardine challenge. And as of today, I weigh 189.6 pounds, which means I roughly have lost 12 pounds since I started this challenge, December the 1st. So yesterday, I went out and I ran out of sardines, and I went and bought the whole case of sardines. Let me show you what that looked like yesterday. So I'm in Mariano's, and this is 4 for $5. These Kroger in water. I'm actually going to buy the whole thing. So today I want to talk about just the epiphany of the 250 calories. It hadn't even occurred to me to look, because on the chicken of the sea sardine cans, it shows no calorie intake. So I went to its website and I found that it only had 120 calories. And that only came from on my accountability call this morning, and I mentioned that I had been on this sardine challenge, and I've been only having about 250 or 2 cans a day. The question came up, well, how many calories are in this? And I use ChatGPT, to be quite honest. I'm going to go ahead and have my breakfast, but I asked ChatGPT, and I guess depending on, now these look a little bit different than the ones that I've been eating. These are different. These aren't, well, I've got probably 9 days, but I don't know if you can see this. You can't see it because of the water, but these are big sardines. Look at that. These are big sardines. These are not chicken of the sea sardines. These are different sardines. Wow. Amazing. And I wonder if they have bones in it. These are pretty big sardines. I don't taste the bone. Wow. I'm going to be like Bubba Gump, knowing all the shrimp. Kroger's has 3 sardines in it. No bone. I threw away the top to find out where to get them from. Now, I know that the chicken of the sea sardines come mainly from Poland. Wow. It's doable. These are actually doable. I like Kroger. I just fired chicken of the sea. I like Kroger. 3 sardines. Big sardines. No, that was pretty good. I know from yesterday's video, always to have some napkins, because halfway through the video, I was talking with some sardines on the side of my mouth and had no idea. So, anyway, gonna have my prune juice. I'm waiting for the fiber to come. Looks like it's going to come on Monday. And this helps a little bit, but not that much. I need some fiber in my diet. That's the bottom line. Okay, that is it for today's video. Day 10, 189.6 pounds. I can't wait to break past this because I broke past the 190 barrier. Now my goal is really by the end of December 31st to be at roughly 170 pounds, which means that I've lost 30 pounds in 30 days. Take care. Be sure to subscribe, leave me a comment, and give me a thumbs up. Take care.